Lesson 8. Some scientists are now hoping to find out whether domestic cats have accents in their meows and whether cat dialects are determined by their owners' voices. They will study how cats change the melody or intonation of their meows when talking to other cats and humans. They aim to produce a dictionary of cat sounds. It seems cats know how to vary their intonation or melody, perhaps to send a certain message, perhaps to change or increase the importance of a message or emotions, said Suzanne Schatz, a researcher in phonetics at Lund University and leader of the project. We want to find out how domestic cats are influenced by the language and dialect that humans use to speak to them, because it seems that cats use slightly different dialects in the sounds they produce. In this project, we will use phonetic analysis to compare cat sounds from two dialect areas in Sweden, Stockholm in the central part of Sweden, and Lund in the very south of Sweden. We will compare the melodies of these vocalizations to see if cats speak different dialects, said Schatz. The project, which the scientists have named Melody in Human-Cat Communication, or MEOWSIC for short, will be carried out over the next 5 years. The team will focus on intonation, voice, and speaking style in human speech used toward cats, as well as in cat vocalizations used toward humans to find out how the two communicate. While this may seem unusual, the results may help how people treat cats in animal hospitals, care homes, and shelters to make them feel comfortable. Since their domestication about 10,000 years ago, cats have learned to communicate with humans using visual as well as vocal signals. Some families of cats, such as Siamese and Burman cats, appear to be more talkative than many other kinds, showing that the breed may also be a factor in the way a cat talks. Wild and street cats usually have no need to continue meowing after becoming adults when their mother leaves them, but many domestic cats continue meowing as a way to communicate with or gain attention from humans. However, many aspects of the cat's vocal ranges are not well understood. We know that cats vary the melody of their sounds widely, but we do not know how to interpret these differences, Dr. Schott said. We will record vocalizations of about 30 to 50 cats in different situations. For example, when they want to go to other places, when they are satisfied, friendly, happy, hungry, bothered, or even angry, and try to identify any differences in their phonetic patterns. While the project has not yet officially begun, the researchers last month tested their recording machines and techniques by recording examples of cat melodies. In one trial, they noticed meows rise slowly in pitch when a cat is begging for food, while the pitch drops gradually when a cat is unhappy when visiting an animal hospital, for example. Another goal is to study whether cats react differently to various aspects of human speech, such as different voices, speaking styles, and intonation patterns. For example, we want to know if cats prefer to speak to humans or to be spoken to by humans, Dr. Schott said. Speech started by cats tends to be a high-pitched speech that some adults use for children, for example. We still have much to learn about how cats understand human speech, according to Schatz.